Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make ceviche. This is the ingredients you'll need to make it. As always, the measurements and the directions will be listed down below for you. I'm going to start off by slicing the cucumbers. I like to put them in little stacks so it'll be easy for me to dice. So just make sure they're even, and then you're going to slice down twice, rotate it, and slice down twice again. That way you have these little dice pieces. So same thing, just go down twice, rotate it, and slice down twice again. You'll be doing this for all your cucumbers. Next, I'll be slicing the tomatoes. I already took out the seeds, so I'm just going to slice them into little pieces. Now I'm using one jalapeño that I already removed the seeds from. So I'm just going to finely dice it and then add it to the bowl. And next I'm just using half a red onion that I'm just going to dice up and then add it to the bowl as well. Now I have a bunch of cilantro that I'm just going to dice up too. Now I'm just going to run my knife through it a couple of times because I like to make sure that it's finely chopped. Now I have here a pound of imitation crab meat. I'm just going to go ahead and shred it into little small pieces. Now making sure that they're all kind of smaller pieces. Let's go ahead and just break it apart and then add it to the bowl. I have here 1 pound of already cooked shrimp. It's already cooked, deveined, and clean. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut the tail and the head off and then slice the body down the middle. So you can see I'm just doing the same thing on each one. I know it's a little time consuming, but I want to make sure it's the same size. I'm going to go ahead and add a whole lemon to it. I'm going to try to be careful not to add any seeds inside of it. Now once I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and add some pepper. As much to your preference. I'm also going to add some salt. And some hot sauce. Just go ahead and mix that all together. Once you're done mixing it, just keep it in the refrigerator so it could get nice and cold, and then it'll be ready to serve. This will last about maybe 2 days in the refrigerator. And here it is, ceviche. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe or hit the like button or go ahead and comment down below and tell me what you think. Thank you all. Have a wonderful day.